Welcome back to another video from Destination J to Z. Today we're going to show you that I got my badge of honor. Yeah, that's right. As you can see right here on my forehead, it's not good. The key question is, how did I get that? Well, it's simple. Did not duck whenever going underneath to the basement. The slide, and I'll show you which one. Right here is the slide corner that I got my head on. Going down here to get into the wet bay. So yeah, did get my badge of honor. Once again, guys, just wanted to show you, don't matter what type of RV you have, whether it be a travel trailer, fifth wheel, or Class A, yes, you can get hurt using those. And these corners right here are absolutely horrendous, obviously, as you can see. A lot of people actually take some pool noodle, cuts them in two, splits them, and then puts them on. So that's one of the things that actually can help. Anytime that you got foam on it, then obviously you're going to hit that and bounce off. So it's going to be minimal damage. There you have it. Just wanted to share that with you. Yeah, as you can see here in the background, you can see some palm trees. We're going to be bringing you a full review of this park. This is Rainbow RV Resort here in Frostproof, Florida. We'll be bringing you that, bringing you some more video, obviously, and you'll be able to see this hill up, hopefully. Needless to say, I do have a headache and my sinuses are killing me right now. So anyway, guys, hope you like this video. Just wanted to bring you that. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and remember, safe travels. Yeah, see ya.